How has e-commerce evolved in India, you ask? Well, a significant part of that story is written by a company that needs no introduction, Flipkart. In 2007, Sakin Bansal and Binny Bansal embarked on a journey to revolutionize India's retail landscape. Operating from a humble two-bedroom apartment in Bangalore, they launched Flipkart as an online bookstore. Their focus on customer satisfaction and a user-friendly interface quickly set them apart. By 2011, Flipkart had recognized the potential of e-commerce beyond books. Electronics, clothing, lifestyle products. Flipkart's catalog started to diversify. The introduction of cash on delivery was a game changer, addressing the trust issues surrounding online payments and boosting consumer confidence. Despite the growing competition, Flipkart maintained its edge through a relentless focus on customer experience, efficient logistics, and strategic acquisitions like Myntra and Jabong, fortifying its position in the fashion segment. In 2014, Flipkart introduced Big Billion Days, an annual sale event that quickly became a highlight in India's online shopping calendar. This period also saw Flipkart investing heavily in mobile commerce, developing a user-friendly mobile app and leveraging technology and data analytics to personalize the shopping experience. Fast forward to 2017, the Indian e-commerce landscape was changing rapidly, with Amazon posing a formidable challenge. Regulatory complexities were on the rise, and in 2018, Walmart acquired a majority stake in Flipkart. This move not only provided financial backing, but also strategic support to navigate the evolving market. Despite these challenges, Flipkart continued to evolve and innovate. They expanded their reach into smaller towns and rural areas, aligning with the government's vision of digital inclusion. So, what can we learn from Flipkart's journey? First, a customer-centric approach is paramount. Flipkart's understanding of the Indian consumer's needs and their commitment to addressing them set a solid foundation for their success. Second, the ability to innovate and adapt is crucial. Whether it was expanding into new categories, embracing mobile commerce, or exploring untapped markets, Flipkart demonstrated a ready willingness to evolve. Third, strategic acquisitions can play a critical role in growth. Flipkart's mergers with Myntra and Jabong expanded their product portfolio and market share, helping them stay competitive. Finally, the integration of technology cannot be overlooked. Flipkart's use of data analytics, artificial intelligence, and a user-friendly mobile app gave them an edge in the market. In conclusion, Flipkart's journey is a testament to innovation, resilience, and adaptability. It's a story of how a humble online bookstore evolved into one of India's leading e-commerce platforms, changing the way Indians shop online. It is a narrative that continues to shape the future of e-commerce in India.